You are going to love the 2014 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.